Hey guys, welcome to Excel and Data Insights channel. Today I'll be teaching you Excel shortcuts, that is from A to Z Excel shortcuts, okay? And starting off with Control A, if you press anywhere in your data sets and press Control A, it would select the entire reference. And once again, if you press Control A, it would select the entire worksheet, okay? Next is Control B. If you want to highlight any of your headers, you can press Control B, and you can once again press Control B to undo the same, okay? And next would be Control C. Suppose if you want to only select from August month onwards, you can select Control C and paste it over here, Control V, okay? And double click. And Control D, okay? Suppose if you want to add the next date is equal to, select the next date plus 1, okay? And now you can drag the next date either by dragging it, or you can just select how much ever rows you want and then press Control D, okay? And the same applies for the formulas as well, is equal to this plus some random numbers I'm giving, and then you can just select the, go to the below bottom, select the full row column and press Control D. The next shortcut is Control F, okay? And if you want to find any numbers like 888, you can't directly see over here, or 1000 or 1006, okay? Just press so inside your reference Control A and Control F to find, and just type 1006. It will find it for you, okay? And then after F would be Control G. Suppose you have a very long data set or a huge number of data and you want to go to a particular cell, you have to press Control G, and then you can press like A, I'm just making this up, Control 34, okay? And press OK. It will take you to the current cell, okay? It would, you can see it over here, A34. Okay, the next shortcut is Control H, okay? In that you can find and replace. First let's select the entire data and then press Control H, and here you can find like 1006 and then replace it with 17, some other random numbers, okay? Just press replace all, and you can see the number has been replaced over here. You can do undo by Control Z, is 1006, and Control Y, you can see the number has come back. And the next shortcut would be after H is I, and Control I, you can make the headers or any other alphabets into italics, okay? Control I, and you can press Control B to make it bold, okay? Okay guys, the next is Control J, which is the line shortcut for line break, and which is not available in my current version. I have 2019. It's available in the previous versions up until 2016, okay? Excel up until 2016. So what does it do? If you have something like this written line 1 and line 2, when you press Control H, find, and then when you press Control J, it actually transposes it like this, okay? Control line 1 and line 2 like that. It's actually not that useful. Up next is Control K, which actually creates a hyperlink, okay? When you just press Control K, it creates a hyperlink. You can actually give like K2, and this is our Excel and Data Insights YouTube channel. Please subscribe, where each and every time when you press over here, it actually takes you to the hyperlinked cell, okay? And then is Control L. You can actually press Control A, select all, and then press either of one, okay? Control L also creates a table, and Control T also creates a table. I'll be making a separate video on how to create a table and what are its benefits. And next is Control N. When you press Control N, a new worksheet is created, workbook or worksheet. And Control W would actually close the active worksheet, okay? Now that is closed. And Control O would open any of your worksheets, like you can go to any of the worksheets, recent worksheets, and then when you press escape it goes. And then Control P would actually print your data, okay? So you can select everything and press Control P, and you can print it in A4 size, okay? Whichever size you want, you can directly print. Press escape to go back, and then Control Q, okay? Just select your data and then press Control Q. This would give a shortcut to all this formatting, charts, tools, totals, tables, and sparklines, etc. I'll be making a separate video on this as well, so please stay tuned. And then Control R, okay? So Control R, what does it do? It's similar to like Control D, wherein you can just select your data and then, okay, select the corresponding cell as well, and then press Control R. So it repeats if there is any formula, it repeats the formula as well. Up next is Control S. Control S, you know, is just for saving your worksheet. Please always save your worksheet. Control T, as I mentioned earlier, is to create a table, and Control U would create an underline. Okay, just select your headers or any other cell which you want to underline. Just press U. It will underline your data, and then Control X is to cut. Let's just cut. Okay, and you can paste it somewhere else. Control V, and if you don't want to do this, Control Z. And then if you find, okay, I want it back once again, then you, instead of redoing all those things, you can press just Control Y. Okay, so here are my A to Z shortcuts. Okay, and please subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing more data analysis video, how to analyze this KPI sales data, marketing sales data, and all such things. So please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Okay, thanks a lot, guys. Thank you.